The factory KTM squad has unveiled its colors for the 2023 MotoGP season on Thursday morning ahead of its 7th season in the Premier class. KTM has refreshed its lineup at its factory squad for 2023, with four-time race winner Jack Miller stepping over from Ducati to replace Miguel Oliveira, who took both of KTM 2022 wins and will race for RNF Aprilia this year, as Brad Binder's teammate. The Austrian squad has a largely unchanged MotoGP livery for 2023, retaining its familiar orange and dark blue color scheme and Red Bull title sponsorship branding. Joining up with the KTM family again, it is all starting to feel rather real now, Miller said. I've been thinking about this moment for quite a long time. Finally getting to see the 2023 colors, myself in the suit and all the preparation for the season ahead. It's amazing to be back here at KTM and to be catching up with everybody. It's a special little taste before we get down to action in Malaysia. It has felt like a long off season already, so I'm more than excited to get back to the track and to get started again, Binder added. My 4th year in the class, and I feel like our best chance so far to really achieve something will be in 2023. We're ready to go, so let's get to Sepang and see what those first days bring us.